Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here, live from Allendale's trading floor. It is March 24th, 2011. We did have quite a bit more volume here today than we've seen basically this whole week. Corn was up 21.5 cents. Had beans that were up only 3.5, with wheat up 25. Kind of surprising. Early on today, we were in the red, had things pulling back. But we did find some buying. Had fun buying come in here. Rumors of China coming in and buying corn again were stirred around the market. Nothing has been confirmed. We also had some good export sales here today. USDA released some decent numbers here for us. More neutral for corn. It was well within their expectations, but you had guys all hyped up from that. What led the way here today was more of the wheat. Good export sales. Had friendly export sales out this morning for wheat. We also have diminishing hope for moisture out there in the plains that had kept some support under this market and really started this rally. Then we had technical buying on top of that, mixed in with these Chinese rumors and corn starting to rally. You had everything going up together. So it was a strong day today for corn and wheat. Beans, not as much. As I mentioned, you had nearby beans up only 3.5 cents today. Basically higher just because you had corn and wheat higher. That's what kept the beans from falling back in the red today. The dollar was down. We were down about 15 cents for the dollar. You didn't get much action from crude today. Very limited talk with those areas, Libya, North Africa, and the Middle East. Very quiet talk around those, about that here today, which kind of kept crude oil under wraps. We did find an early rally in crude. But right now currently trading down about 17 cents, so a little lower on the session, even with a dollar that's lower. Stock market finding a bit of a rebound here today, up 84, and after a pretty significant pullback over the last few weeks, we've been finding some strength. You've got a lot of investors coming back into the markets right now, pushing it higher, and keeping the stock market up about 84 as of right now. Metals started off very strong. You had gold come into some new highs. You had silver very strong as well. As of right now, gold's down $5. Puts that about just about $20 off their highs. And silver up only 30 cents. And that's almost 70 cents off of its highs. So we have seen this early strength now kind of diminish and finding more of a pullback as we get closer to close. Soft markets were stronger today with the dollar being down. You had sugar with a big outside day up on a chart. Technically, that's a very friendly signal and could see some more strength here from that if the dollar remains lower again tomorrow. Cotton up almost limit, 7-cent limits, up $6.95 today for that nearby contract. Very strong there in cotton. And that chart's still pointing higher at this point. The December is slowly following, so new crops slowly following as well with cotton, but not rallying nearly as fast, but you're not finding those setbacks as fast either. But rice today, I have been watching that contract. We did find a decent pullback yesterday and also this morning. We did end up finishing higher today for cotton, up 15. Continuing its path higher, I suppose. And the charts still look very friendly. We may get further strength here for cotton, and we continue to look for that to strengthen with all the issues that we've had in Japan over the last few weeks. So we'll be watching rice very closely, not the cotton. As far as livestock today, fat cattle up $1.62, so pretty strong there. Trade this week 113 to 114. Most of the trade should be wrapped up though right now. And then also what kind of kept the cattle stronger today is Japan buying about 27% of our weekly sales. So very strong purchases here from Japan, expecting potentially to see some more, but boosting price here right along with it. Feeders up about $1. Hogs today up about 35 cents, probably just because we had seen livestock work higher as well. So we'll see if that can carry into the weekend, with tomorrow's trade. So give us a call over here with any questions that you may have. Feel free, 800-262-7538, or check us out right there on the web. A lot of this information will be right there on our research at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. Have a great rest of the week. We'll talk to you a little later. Take care.